Data first migration is actually my personal favorite. Still strangler pattern. Um, the idea behind this one is that you're going to extract all your business logic, all your data queries, everything into an API. Maybe a REST one, maybe a REST with some remote procedure calls, maybe all remote procedure calls, whatever you need. But you're going to build an API out of sort of extract the backbone of your legacy application into an API. The cool thing about this is that APIs are so lightweight that you there's a good bet that you can just copy paste the classes, the controllers, even the procedural logic from your legacy application and paste it into your API request handlers, and not have to change much at all. So it's fairly quick to go ahead and get your API up and running. And then as you complete the endpoints, you can build a UI around them with whatever you want. You could build your user interface with a PHP framework still. Um, you could also just go ahead and use Angular or React, have a really lightweight Node.js front end that leverages your API. This makes your team and your application extremely agile. Moving forward, um, every everything that needs to leverage the similar business logic as your legacy application can now use the same API. All your maintenance of your business logic is now centralized in an API. So what that means is if someone requests that you build out a mobile application, that's fine. Go ahead and build out a front end on mobile that just calls the same API. Um, Even if you have uh I forget, like proprietary hardware out in the field for some re weird reason, like you still have Blackberries or Palm Gadget scanners and stuff. Those can just call the same API to digest and upload data. So again, that's the main reason this is one of my absolute favorites. Really quick migration and makes your application and your business logic super agile.